Hi, welcome to the mathscenter.com. In this video we are going to look at an old exam question. Edexcel, the exam board is Edexcel IGCSE, June 2011, okay? Some time ago, June 2011. We are looking at the further pure maths paper, paper 1. This is question number 3 on the paper, but before we start looking at the question and the solution, please give this video a like and share as much as you can. Please follow me on Facebook and YouTube. For details of the courses that we provide online, please visit my website, themathscenter.com. Okay, in this question we are given that y, let's handle part A first, yeah? Y equals to e to the power of 2x sine 3x, and we asked to find dy dx. Okay, let's do that, yeah? So we'll use the UV rule, okay, and all the formulas that we know, okay? So I'm going to call this u and I'm going to call this v, okay? So I'll start with write down the first term, then differentiate the second, okay, plus write down the second term and differentiate the first. Okay, so I've written the first term down, e to the power of 2x, I've differentiated sine 3x, and then I've written down sine 3x and differentiated e to the power of 2x. So let me write this down in a presentable manner. I have 3e to the power of 2x cos 3x plus 2e to the power of 2x sine 3x. Let me check that. I have 3e to the power of 2x cos 3x, and I have 2e to the power of 2x and sine 3x, and that's dy dx. Okay, so that's not bad. And in part B we are asked to show that d2y dx squared is something, yeah? 2 dy dx minus 9y plus 6e to the power of 2x cos 3x. So basically what it amounts to in part B is to find d2y dx squared, and then sort out some minor algebra. So to start with, let me get my eraser. To start with, let's go ahead and find d2y dx squared, yeah? So let me write dy dx on top, because there's going to be quite a bit of work. So dy dx, which we just found, is 3e to the power of 2x cos 3x plus 2e to the power of 2x sine 3x. Let me see whether I've copied this down correctly. 3e to the power of 2x cos 3x, 2e to the power of 2x sine 3x. Okay, that looks good. Now let's go ahead and do differentiation one more time, yeah? So no major tricks to this. We're going to use the chain rule again. So let me do that here. d2y dx squared. So I'm going to write this as my first term, 3e to the power of 2x times differentiate cos 3x. I have minus 3 sine 3x. Okay, I'm just feeling my pen really. Maybe I need to use another one. Okay, and then I've got plus, okay, 3e to the power of 2x, differentiate cos 3x minus 3 sine 3x, and then I'm going to write cos 3x, and I'm going to differentiate 3e to the power of 2x. I'll get 6e to the power of 2x, yeah? 6e to the power of 2x. Okay, so after that, let me do the second one. I'll write 2e to the power of 2x. Okay, this is my first term, and then I'll have 3 cos 3x plus, write down sine 3x, and differentiate 2e to the power of 2x. I'll get 4e to the power of 2x. So quite a bit of differentiation here. Let me quickly check whether I've covered all my terms. 3e to the power of 2x, differentiate this, good. write this down, cos 3x, differentiate this. I'll get 6 e to the power of 2x, good, looks good. Then I write 2 e to the power of 2x, differentiate this, looks good. Write down sine 3x, differentiate this, 4 e to the power, all looks good, yeah? So now we need to write our answers down, make it more presentable so that we can sort out the algebra. So let me write 6 e to the power of 2x cos 3x. Why am I starting there? Because I'm keeping an eye on the answer, final answer, right? I have 6 e to the power of 2x cos 3x. So I've taken care of this. And then I'm going to write down this term here, okay? So I have plus 4 e to the power of 2x sine 3x. So I've got that out of the way. And then let me write down this thing here, okay, which is 3 times minus 3. I have minus 9 e to the power of 2x sine 3x. Let me squeeze everything into one line here, okay. 9 e to the power of 2x and sine 3x. There's a minus here, just be careful. And then I have, so I've taken care of this as well, and I'm left with 6, okay. 6 e to the power of 2x. 2 times 3 is 6, and I have cos 3x. Everything looks good, yeah? So let me take out 2. I have 3 e to the power of 2x cos 3x plus 2 e to the power of 2x sine 3x. Looks good. Okay, let me quickly check. 2 times 2, great. And then I have minus 9 e to the power of 2x sine 3x and plus 6 e to the power of 2x cos 3x. So this one here, okay, comparing what we had for dy dx is exactly the same. So I have 2 dy dx, okay, and then I have minus 9. What is this? That's the question, yeah? That is 9y, and I have got plus 6 e to the power of 2x cos 3x. That's what you see here. And we are done. Okay? So basically this problem just involves using the UV rule, knowing the formulas for differentiation, and then just rearranging using some algebra. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. Give this video a like, and please follow me on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you very much for watching.